Finally open up the big old bag of Robo patches, and a job coming up. So I was like, oh, I'll make camera bags. So like, you know, if I'm not at my cart, shot media. Hey, you need media? It's going to be in here. These are downloaded. These are to be downloaded. Yeah, my hard drives. I fill this up with cables. This will be for tether cables. And then since I use these in my bike bags, it's like, yo, boom, here's your onboard tools, everything I gotta take with me. Boom, here's your onboard snacks, everything I gotta take with me. And then like for the bag where like my extra SRAM batteries and my chargers and all the DI2 bullshit is. So I got some more ideas for new tags, so I'll send a new list out. If y'all have any ideas, please. The list is ever growing. But I love these bags, these are sick. Yeah. I just need to order more of these now.